Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Fire Friday, April 8th, and in today's video I have one play for you and one to put on stock. But before I go into the plays, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the markets. The Dow closed up 0.25% at 34,583. The Nasdaq, they barely eked out a gain. The Nasdaq closed up 0.061%, almost flat, at 13,897. Apple closed up 0.18% at $172.14. Apple. One of the big winners yesterday, SBFM, still going strong. The stock closed up 53% at $9.65. The stock opened at $7.25, spiked as high as $9.87. Another brand new 52-week high. 3 consecutive new highs for SBFM. This one's looking strong. The volume yesterday was 107 million compared to the average volume of 11 million. Let's jump right into it. Before I go there, let me back up real quick on ERYP. ERYP closed down 7% at 145. This one was a no-go from the get-go. The stock opened at 184. I told you if this one retraces below 190, this might be a no-go. Stock opened at 184 during regulation trading hours. Okay, let's jump into it. Dave's play today is a SP play. In and out, grab and go, one and move. NDRA is up 32% at 59 cents. The highest day thus far in the pre-markets is 65 cents. This one came out with news. Analysts maintain a buy rating on the company. I'm not too much into analysts. I'm into price action. Okay, if this one retracts below 49 cents, this might be a no-go today. Let's kick the tires. NDRA wears a market cap of 19 million. They have 38 million in the float. 2% are held by insiders. 11% are held by institution and shorts as 1% of the float. They have 12 million in total cash and 914K in total debt. Their current ratio is sitting at a healthy 9.18 NDRA. Not much data on this one. Total cash per share is 0.28 NDRA. Please put on stock today SBFM for continuation. The stock is up 22% in the pre-markets, sitting at $11.80. The higher day thus far in the pre is $12.26. See if you could get an opportunity on this one. SBFM. The company came out with cancer news a few days ago and it's still going strong. Go ahead and read up the news on your own time, your own term. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy your weekend and don't forget to protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And when you see some profits, take some profits because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm a boom bam. Make your next trade your best trade. Take care of your downside and let your upside take care of itself. I'll see you when I see you.
Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You'll get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is $100. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. I thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out. Don't forget to hit that like. Please subscribe and share.
To listen to their words. One evening he did hear the ox bemoaning to the ass the hardness of his lot. I do labor pulling the plow from morning until night, no matter how hot the day or how tired my legs or how the bow doth chafe my neck, still must I work. But you are a creature of leisure. You are trapped with a colorful blanket and do nothing more than carry our master about where he wishes to go. When he goes nowhere, you do rest and eat the green grass all the day. Now the ass, in spite of his vicious heels, was a friendly fellow and sympathized with the ox. My good friend, he replied, you do work very hard and I would not ease your lot. Therefore, will I tell you how you may have a day of rest. In the morning, when the slave comes to fetch you to the plow, lie upon the ground and bellow much, that he may say you are sick and cannot work. So the ox took the advice of the ass, and the next morning the slave returned to the farmer and told him the ox was sick and could not pull the plow. Then, said the farmer, hitch the ass to the plow, for the plowing must go on. All that day, the ass, who had only intended to help his friend, found himself compelled to do the ox's task. When night came and he was released from the plow, his heart was bitter, and his legs were weary, and his neck was sore where the bow had chafed it. The farmer lingered in the barnyard to listen. The ox began first. You are my good friend. Because of your wise advice, I have enjoyed a day of rest. And I, retorted the ass, am like many another simple-hearted one who starts to help a friend and ends up by doing his task for him. Hereafter you draw your own plow, for I did hear the master tell the slave, the butcher, were you sick again? I wish he would, for you are a lazy fellow. Thereafter they spoke to each other no more. This ended their friendship. Canst thou tell the moral to this tale, Rodin? 'Tis a good tale, responded Rodin, but I see not the moral. I thought not that you would, but it is there, and simple too. Just this. If you desire to help thy friend, do so in a way that will not bring thy friend's burdens upon thyself. I had not thought of that. It is a wise word. I wish not to assume the burdens of my sister's husband. But tell me, you lend to many. Do not the borrowers repay? Mathon smiled the smile of one whose soul is rich with much experience. Could a loan be well made if the borrower cannot repay? Must not the lender be wise and judge carefully whether his gold can perform a useful purpose to the borrower and return to him once more? Or whether it will be wasted by one unable to use it wisely and leave him without his treasure, and leave the borrower with a debt he cannot repay. I will show to thee the tokens in my token chest, and let them tell thee some of their stories. Into the room he brought a chest as long as his arm, covered with red pigskin and ornamented with bronze designs.
So there you have it. Excerpts from The Richest Man in Babylon. And always remember, 10% of what you earn is yours to keep.
minimum 10% of every dollar you earn is yours to keep forever.